Connection doesn't always need conversation. Sometimes it starts by simply sharing a room. Picture a silent reading club. 20 people open their books, barely speak, then exchange a smile or ask, "What are you reading?" Psychology research links even brief interactions with acquaintances to greater belonging and well-being. A shared activity can lower the pressure to entertain, impress, or keep talking, while giving small moments of recognition somewhere to happen. But quiet company isn't a replacement for close relationships, and it won't feel connecting for everyone. Still, friendship doesn't always begin with a deep talk. Sometimes it begins when familiar strangers keep choosing the same room.